Welcome back to Brand History. Today we're diving into the rich history of one of the most iconic herbal liquors in the world, Jägermeister. So grab your favorite glass, sit back, and let's uncover the fascinating journey of this German elixir. Let's transport ourselves back to the quaint town of Wolfenbüttel, Germany. In the midst of the Great Depression, it's 1934, and a visionary herbalist named Kurt Mast is about to embark on a journey that will leave an indelible mark on the world of spirits. Kurt was not your typical distiller. He was inspired by traditional herbal remedies and sought to create a tonic that was not only flavorful, but also boasted medical qualities. Armed with a family recipe of 56 secret herbs, fruits, roots, and spices, Kurt set out to craft what would eventually become Jägermeister. Legend has it that Kurt Mast believed in the power of nature, and to capture that essence, he insisted on using only the finest and purest ingredients. The result was a complex blend that would later be known for its distinctive taste, a perfect harmony of sweetness, bitterness, and herbal complexity. Once the recipe was perfected, Kurt Mast faced the task of finding a name for his creation. Jägermeister, which translates to Master Hunter in English, was chosen to reflect both the herbal expertise required to craft the liquor and its potential as a potent digestive. Little did Kurt know that his creation would go on to become a global sensation, loved not only for its unique taste, but also for the rich history and craftsmanship behind every bottle. As we continue our exploration of the history of Jägermeister, we delve into the symbolism that has become synonymous with the brand, the stag and the glowing cross. These iconic images tell a story that goes beyond aesthetics, revealing the deep roots of the Mast family's values. The stag, prominently featured in the Jägermeister logo, represents a connection to nature and the outdoors. Kurt Mast, a nature enthusiast himself, chose the majestic creature to symbolize the harmony between this herbal elixir and the natural world. It's a nod to the herbs and botanicals sourced from the earth to create this distinctive flavor of Jägermeister. Now, let's turn our attention to the glowing cross, another key element in the Jägermeister logo. The Mast family, deeply rooted in Christian faith, incorporated the cross to reflect their values and beliefs. This juxtaposition of the stag and the cross serve as a powerful symbol, capturing the essence of the Mast family's commitment to both tradition and modernity. The combination of the stag and the cross is a testament to the Mast family's dedication to quality, tradition, and spirituality. It's more than just a branding. It's a narrative that accompanies every bottle of Jägermeister, inviting consumers to appreciate the depth and meaning behind the iconic emblem. As we continue through the history of Jägermeister, our narrative now takes us to the challenging post-war period, where this herbal elixir not only survived, but thrived, becoming a symbol of resilience and celebration. In the aftermath of World War II, Germany faced a time of reconstruction and renewal. Jägermeister, having weathered the storm, emerged as a symbol of hope and tradition. Its distinctive herbal blend, once a local secret, began to captivate a broader audience, both in Germany and beyond. During this time, the unique flavor profile of Jägermeister resonated with the diverse range of palates. Its reputation as a digestive spread, making it a popular choice for those seeking a drink that not only delighted the taste buds, but also carried a rich history and cultural significance. As Jägermeister gained popularity, it became more than just a beverage. It became a symbol of camaraderie and celebration. The distinctive green bottle found its place in social gatherings, toasts, and festive occasions, embodying the spirit of post-war revival. The post-war era not only marked a period of recovery for Germany, but also laid the foundation for Jägermeister's global journey. The herbal liquor that began in a small town was now on its way to becoming a household name worldwide. Today, Jägermeister stands on a testament to the enduring appeal of its unique flavor profile. No longer confined to the role of a digestive, Jägermeister has found its way into the creative hands of bartenders, inspiring a mirage of cocktails that showcase its versatility. The green bottle has become a familiar sight on bar shelves around the world, its iconic logo inviting curiosity and excitement. But Jägermeister's evolution doesn't stop there. The brand has embraced the spirit of collaboration, joining forces with other brands to create unique and limited edition releases. Whether it's fashion, music, or other industries, Jägermeister has left an indelible mark, proving that it's not only just a drink, but a cultural phenomenon. From exclusive events to festivals, Jägermeister continues to be at the forefront, pushing boundaries and redefining what it means to be a herbal liquor. As we raise our glasses to the present, let's celebrate the enduring legacy of Jägermeister. Whether you enjoy it neat, on the rocks, or in a creative cocktail, remember that you're sipping on a spirit with a history as rich and diverse as the blend of herbs and spices within. Jägermeister's collaborative ventures extend across different industries, showcasing its adaptability and appeal. Whether it's fashion, music, or sports, these partnerships highlight Jägermeister's commitment to dynamic and relevant experiences. These collaborations are more than marketing endeavors. They exemplify Jägermeister's dedication to staying dynamic and relevant. As we wrap up our exploration of Jägermeister's history, we recognize the brand's ability to blend tradition with modernity, forming lasting and impactful partnerships. And there you have it, the intriguing history of Jägermeister. If you enjoyed this journey through the spirit world, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite Jägermeister memories in the comments below. Until next time, cheers!